lines and angles.
In geometry, we deal with different properties. Out of these, some properties are assumed true. The fact is not challenged. Such properties are called as postulates. With the help of these postulates, different properties are proved. These properties are called as theorems. The logical explanation of the property is nothing but the proof. Any property can be explained with the help of figure. Logical statements about their truths can be explained with the help of proofs. Thus, in geometry, figures are important. We can visualize the property with the help of figure. Now look at this figure. This is a line. Line is a set of infinite points. Single letter L denotes line. A and B are 2 points on the line. This line can also be expressed as line AB. Line is a set of infinite points. Plane is extended in all possible directions. Although the plane is indicated by the closed figure, it is actually a part of plane. Now let us discuss some postulates about point, line and plane. Infinite lines can pass through a point. But through two different points, one and only one line can pass. In the group of words, one and only one means at least one and only one means at the most one. If two lines intersect each other, then they intersect in single point. When there is a line which can pass through all the given points, then these points are called as collinear. If such line cannot be drawn, then these points are defined to be non-collinear. In this figure, A, B, C, D, E are non-collinear points. Three non-collinear points determine one plane. A line and a point outside it determine one plane. Two intersecting lines determine one plane. If two different points of a line lie in the plane, then the whole line lies in that plane. The intersection of two planes is a line. If a line outside the plane intersects the plane, then it intersects in single point. If two coplanar lines do not intersect each other, then they are said to be parallel. In this statement, a word coplanar is used because if only two non-intersecting lines are there and they are non-coplanar, then they are not parallel. These lines are also called non-coplanar or skew lines. In this figure, line AB and line EF include the edges of parallel piped AB and EF. Small d denotes the distance between 2 points. D into bracket AB equal to 5 centimeters means distance between A and B is 5 centimeters. Now look at these points A, B and C. These are three collinear points. Distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC. Then we say B is in between A and C, and it is denoted as A dash B dash C. If A and B are two different points, then set of points in between A and B include which means length of the segment AB is equal to 5. If two segments are of same length, then they are called as congruent segments. Every segment has one and only one midpoint. M is the midpoint of the segment AB. That is why AM and BM are of the segments of the same length and therefore they are congruent. If two segments are not of the same length, then the segment is said to be greater if its length is greater. This figure indicates ray AB. Point A is called origin or starting point. In this figure, ray AB and ray AC have the same origin A. And if these are collinear, then these two rays are called as opposite rays. If for a line each point is associated with one real number, then that line is known as number line